Hello friends, in the previous video I explained how to create an AWS account. Today we will discuss about how to create an IAM user. Just log into the AWS console and search for the IAM service. In the menu we have users section. Currently there are no users. Now we will create one user. Give the username. Here I am giving the DevOps user here. Grant the AWS Management Console access to the user. In the password section, choose a custom password and uncheck the box that user must change the password in the next sign-in. Click on Next. In the next tab, we have three options. For now, we will use Attach Policies directly. For now, I am giving the user the administrator access. You can give the access according to your requirement, as we have many types of accesses. Finally, review all the details that we have selected and click on Create User. Now the most important part, you have to either save the credentials in Notepad, or the recommended way is to download the CSV file. See, the user got created now. Now we need to sign out from the root user and sign in with the IAM user. Let me sign out here. To sign in with the IAM user, just paste the URL in the browser and it asks for the credentials. See, just paste the credentials and log in as an IAM user. See how simple it is. Now we are going to create our first EC2 instance. We have already few services here. Search for the EC2 service in the search bar. Here, open the EC2. It's showing the summary that how many instances run in key pair security groups. But for now, let's click on launch instance. Here, just give the instance name. I am giving the demo instance here. Coming to the AMI, we have so much AMIs. Amazon Linux, Ubuntu, Red Hat, Windows. So here I am selecting the Ubuntu server. For the instance type, let's keep it as T3 micro. Coming to the key pair, we need to give the name. Here I am giving the test-key. Keep the RSA and .pem file, keep it as it is and create the key pair. Select the created one and move to the security group part. The security groups I will explain it in future videos. For now, it will create the default launch wizard security group, as you can see here. Now let's come to the storage. I am keeping the 8 GB here and just click on launch instance. Once the instance is ready, I'll show two ways to connect to our instances. Just click on connect button. First I'll show you with the SSH client. If I directly copy paste this URL in git bash, it will throw the error because we haven't configured the AWS in our local setup. See, we are getting the error. To solve this issue, we need to go to the IAM and the security credentials. There we have access keys. So we need to create the access key for the CLI. Choose the command line interface option and click on next. Just give the name or tag to our access key and create the access key. Again, the important point, you need to download the CSV file. So our access key got created. Now come to git bash and type AWS configure. Give our access key ID and the secret access key ID here. I'll delete these access keys after this video. So the best habit is never share your credentials with anyone. For remaining fields, you can just keep it as default. So we have created the key pair, right? So what I have done is I created the SSH folder and move our key pair to this folder to avoid confusion. If you want, you can use the download folder itself. We need to change the permission to 400. If you are new to Linux and haven't watched my Linux video yet, please watch it. Now run the SSH command. Our key pair location AMI @ paste the public IP of our server. See, there we go. We logged into our Ubuntu server. In this server, we can even create a file, list out the files, whatever you want. So here I am creating the test.txt file. If you do ls, then there we go. We have the test.txt. Now let's see the other easiest method to connect to the Ubuntu instance. Let's come to our server, click on connect button. Here we have option called EC2 instance connect. Just click on connect button. It will redirect you to the another page by saying establishing connection. There we go. We are connected to our Ubuntu server. See, if I do ls, my text file is here. We can even switch to the root user. Edit our test file. We can use VIM or Nano editor for editing our text files. You can simply just press I, insert our content and save it. If you are learning DevOps, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, because in future we will be doing many practicals like this. Thank you.